And this is the chase car. Now, I don't know if they've ever done this before. I don't think so. I've never heard of it. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to get a chance to look at the latest Target Red Edition cars. These were sent to us from our friend David Dixon down in Georgia. Our Target, we don't get anything usually, so luckily he sent them to us so we can show them to you. So thanks, Dave. First one up is the 67 Chevy C10. Now that's done in white enamel. Has some really cool red flames on the side. The interior is chrome. The monster wheel tubs in the back are chrome. The base on this is black plastic. And the windows are a dark red transparent. Now the wheels on it are blacked out MC5s with a red chrome ring on it. Now this is a really cool looking truck. The grille is also done the same as the interior and the wheel tubs, done in chrome. And the rear bumper is also done in chrome. Good looking truck. Next up is the Volkswagen Caddy. And that is in a semi-gloss black. The base is gray plastic. The interior is a bright red along with the back of the bed. The windows are clear. And the wheels are all small, white painted PR5s. The tampos are on the side, and they are a dark red with a silver Volkswagen logo about halfway up. It's also got a silver painted door handle, and there is a red stripe going down the side, which brings it all the way back to a dark red Hot Wheel logo behind the rear tire on the back of the box. Now the cool thing with these next two cars is this is the Corvette C7.R. Now the first one I'm going to show you is a nice dark candy apple red. It has white and red and black enamel stripes across the hood with a big circle with a number 1 in it. The tampos on the side are a big Hot Wheel logo with some white and black and red. Also, the wheels are blacked out Trap 5s, and the base is a very dark charcoal plastic. Now the interior is gray and the windows are smoked. Now this one here is identical except for it has a Spectraflame paint job on it. Nice and shiny and beautiful. And this is the chase car. Now, I don't know if they've ever done this before. I don't think so. I've never heard of it. But it seems this is the first time that they have done a chase car with the Red Edition cars. Now, where I come from, like I said, you know, our Target hardly gets anything. So we're lucky if we even get to find any of the Red Edition cars. And here comes a chase car, which is going to be even harder to get. So if you guys see the Spectraflame one, pick it up. Don't say, oh, I already got the red one. I think I got it. Well, make sure that you got it, because they are two different cars, and the Spectraflame one is the chase car. So keep your eyes open. All right. So thanks again, David. Really appreciate it, because, man, I know I would have never found these babies at all. And I wouldn't have been able to show them to you guys, so you guys could be looking for them. Okay? Cool. That's what it's all about, helping each other out. So now you guys know what to look for. Go find them. All right? Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Really appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. And please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here, take care of yourself. Maybe find you in Target somewhere. Who knows? All right. Bye-bye.